Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Hello! In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can travel to the United States for free. This is something that you are interested in. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. I'll share with you exactly how you can apply for scholarship to study here in USA, in Ohio precisely. So if this is something you're interested in, don't even click on it. Do you know that applications are now open for the fully funded Miami University of Ohio? I kid you not. They have graduate assistantship. Yes, so in 2026, they also have a host of other courses that you can study. At the Miami University of Ohio in the United States of America, they have fully funded masters as well as fully funded PhD opportunity, and this has surfaced. So are you in? Now, the Miami University of Ohio scholarship covers your complete tuition fees, a salary, yes, summer salary, and a living stipend of $20,000 per academic year. Now, for additional insights on the value of international education, you might find out, check the rest of them in my description. And I'm going to share with you top 10 reasons why you should study abroad. But if you're new here, please introduce yourself. I want to get to know you and I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And to all my returning subscribers, once again, I want to say thank you for your life. Thank you for always sharing my videos. And thank you for all the comments. Like, I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you, and thank you for all that you do. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, here are the program details. Do you know they have the Invasion History Lab at the Miami University of Oxford, Ohio, and they are seeking graduate assistants to study at the university. The Miami University of Ohio scholarship is open to graduate students looking to pursue master's or doctoral degrees in population biology and geonometrics of invasion sterlings. If you're interested and you're qualified, please, I'm encouraging you to read more about their details, about the opportunity, and apply as appropriate. You can also get tips on how to effectively prepare. Yes, so I'm going to share that with you guys as well as 10 questions to help you decide if studying abroad is for you. And here are the benefits of scholarship at the Miami University of Ohio. Do you know that graduate scholarship offers substantial support to successful candidates, making it a highly attractive opportunity for aspiring researchers like you? And here are the key benefits. They offer you full tuition waiver. Yes, the scholarship covers 100% of your tuition fees for both in-state and out-of-state students, significantly reducing the financial burden of a graduate degree. You also get general stipend. So you will receive a minimum stipend of $20,000 per academic year to cover living expenses, allowing you to focus on your studies and research. You also get summer salary. See, this program also provides a summer salary, and they ensure that you have financial support throughout the year, the entire year, including outside of the traditional academic semester. So guys, they have you covered. I am telling you, go ahead and apply for these scholarships in this school. And yes, you never know, you could be on your way to traveling abroad. If you've ever imagined yourself walking the historic halls of the universities here in the United States, guys, and you want to be surrounded by world-class thinkers and global change makers, this is your moment. Because on this channel, I bring to you the most prestigious, fully funded scholarships in the whole wide world. So go ahead and apply for this scholarship as quickly as possible. If you are seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself to you guys. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you mostly fully funded scholarships, which means that tuition is fully covered, living expenses is covered, and no separate applications are covered. Yes, you heard me right. That is why you need to join this channel, join the winning team, because on this channel, we are winners. You already know by now. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, maybe you need help with your application, go ahead and join my Patreon community, join my Patreon membership. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. So go ahead and join my Patreon community so that you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. And also, feel free to also leave a comment. And then there's a join button right next to the subscribe button. You can also join my channel membership. This also gives you the perk of being a Patreon member here on my channel. So whether you join my channel membership or you join my Patreon community, both actually qualifies you for a free one-on-one consultation with me. So here, I'm here to help you navigate everything scholarship, everything travel, everything tuition, everything that you need when it comes to traveling or studying abroad. And guys, here you're going to get one of the most vibrant, diverse, and intellectually rich communities in the world. Yes, studying in the United States is not just about education, it's about transforming your own future. See, take advantage of all these opportunities I'm sharing with you on this channel, and don't forget to also share with your friend. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Personally, I believe when you win, I win. So when your friends win, I win. Even if you don't get selected, maybe your friends get selected, it's also still a win for you because they found the opportunity through you and you have been a blessing to someone, and definitely more blessings will come to you. That's how I think. So go ahead and also share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities that I have for you guys here on this channel. And yes, if you haven't introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where are you watching from? And just so you know, while you're preparing your application, please make sure that you highlight your academic achievements. Yes, and also share your research interests or your career goals. Please tell them how you contribute to your university, yes, to the community and beyond. This is your own chance to tell your own story. So please go ahead and tell a good story, yes. And I always say this, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Stay ready every single time. Make sure that your SOP is ready, your statement of purpose is ready. Make sure that you already have your transcripts. Make sure that you have people in place that are willing to give you references. So please don't sleep on these opportunities I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. And if you need my help, you already know where to find me, my Patreon community, or through my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and join my channel membership, or you can join my Patreon membership and you have access to me, full and direct access to me. Or you can leave a comment. Yes, that is fine. I mean, it may take a while for me to respond, but I promise I will respond to every single one of you that leave a comment for me on my channel. Once again, I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers that do not forget to like my videos, that do not forget to share my videos, that do not forget to also leave an amazing, beautiful comment for me on this channel. I want to say thank you once again. That's about it. That's all I have for you in today's video. Have I introduced myself? Yes, I believe I have. And in case I have not, it doesn't hurt to do it again. Okay, so my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And God, I have an MBA in business. Oh, sorry, master's in business. I have a master's degree in business. I said I have an MBA in business. MBA is business. Yes, it's a business degree, although it's a master's degree, but yes. I studied at the prestigious California State University, Dominguez Hills. And if you want to see the video of my graduation event, you can let me know in the comments so I can just share the link with you. It's on a different channel, but if you want to see that video, just leave it in the comments and I'll share the link with you. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your chassis. Take care and bye for now. Love you.